Hello, my little ones. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine. I am Kiran ma'am, and today we are going to learn between numbers from 0 to 10. Kids, first we will do the revision of numbers from 0 to 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. Now I will explain to you what are between numbers. Kids, between numbers are the one that come in the middle of two numbers. Between numbers वो numbers को बोला जाता है जो दो numbers के बीच में आते हैं. So kids, let's see the video of between numbers. Kids, what are these? Yes, these are animals, fruits, and some numbers. And today we are going to learn between numbers with the help of fruits, animals, and some numbers. So, are you all ready? Kids, which fruits are these? Yes, this is an apple, grapes, and watermelon. As you can see, grapes are placed after an apple and grapes are placed before watermelon. So kids, we can say that grapes are in between of an apple and watermelon. Now let's rearrange the position of fruits. I will take these grapes and put an apple over here and grapes over here. So an apple is placed after grapes and an apple is placed before watermelon. So we can say that an apple is between of grapes and watermelon. Now tell me kids, which animals are these? Yes, this is a rabbit, this is a dog, and this is a cat. And they all are sitting in a queue. So we will learn the concept of between numbers through these animals. So if I will ask you which animal is sitting after a rabbit and before a cat, that is dog. Dog is sitting after a rabbit and before a cat. So we can say that the dog is sitting in between of a rabbit and a cat. So now if I give one number to rabbit, two number to dog, and three number to cat. So now kids, tell me in terms of numbers, which number will come in between of 1 and 3? Yes, you can say it easily. That is number 2. Number 2 comes in between number 1 and 3. Now kids, see here. This is number line on which numbers are represented in equal distance on a line. So now we will do between numbers with the help of a number line. Now kids, I have kept number 3 and number 5. So we can see on a number line that number 4 comes after number 3 and number 4 comes before number 5. So which number comes in between number 3 and 5? That is number 4. So we will take number 4 and keep it in between number 3 and number 5. Now tell me which numbers are this? Number 8 and number 10. So now we will find between number with the help of a number line. So tell me, where is number 8? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So which number is there after number 8? Yes, number 9. And which number comes before number 10? Yes, that is number 9. So we can say that number 9 comes between number 8 and number 10. So we will take number 9 flashcard and put it between number 8 and number 10. Now kids, tell me, what is this? Yes, in order 0 to 10. Right? So we will do between numbers with the help of this. So now I am putting number 4 and number 6 over here. So which number comes in between 4 and 6? So which number comes after 4 and before 6? So we will see in this, where is number 4? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? So which number comes after 4? Yes, 5. And which number comes before 6? 5. So which number comes between 4 and 6? Number 5. So I will take number 5 flashcard and keep it in between 4 and 6. Now kids, tell me which numbers are this? Number 5 and number 7. So where is number 5? Yes, this is number 5. Which number is written after number 5? 6. And which number is written before number 7? Yes, that is number 6. So number 6 comes between number 5 and 7. So I will take number 6 flashcard and put it in between 5 and 7. I hope you all have enjoyed and learned easily the concept of between numbers through animals, fruits, number flashcards in order 0 to 10 as well as from number line. Now I will explain to you how to write between numbers in our notebook. Kids, before I start explaining you all how to write between numbers in our notebook, we will see once again in order 1 to 10 in our notebook. So now kids, tell me, T stands for tens and O stands for ones. So from number 1 to number 9 are single digit numbers. So we are writing under, yes, ones. And 10, it is 2-digit number. So 1 we are writing under tens and 0 we are writing under ones. So now let's see how to write between numbers in our notebook. See, I have written date here 1111-9-2020, 11th September 2020, and heading is between numbers 0 to 10. As you all can see that I have written numbers over here and I have made an underline in these two boxes because first box stands for T and T stands for tens, and second box stands for O and O stands for ones. So whenever there is a single digit number, we will write in second box and we will put a dot in first box. So let's start. So kids, which number is this? Yes, number 0. And which number is this? Number 2. So let's start counting the numbers. 0, 1, 2. So now tell me which number I will write here. Which number comes after 0 and which number comes before number 2? Number 1. But number 1 is a single digit number, so we will write in second box. But before that, we will put a dot in first box and we will write number 1 in second box. So now we can say that number 1 comes in between number 0 and number 2. Which number is this? Yes, number 3. And which number is this? Number 5. So now tell me which number we will write here. Let's start counting the numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So which number comes after number 3? Yes, number 4. As number 4 is a single digit number, so first we will put a dot in first box and we will write number 4 in second box. Now tell me which number is this? Yes, 6. And which number is this? Number 8. So which number we will write here? Start counting the numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So again 7 is a single digit number, right? So we will put a dot in the first box and we will write number 7 in the second box, right? So 7 comes in between number 6 and number 8. Tell me which number is this? Number 4. And which number is this? Number 6. So let's start counting the numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So which number comes after number 4? Yes, number 5. And number 5 is a single digit number. So first we will put a dot in first box and we will write number 5 in second box. Which number is this? Number 8. And which number is this? 1, 0, 10. So now tell me which number we will write here. So let's start counting the numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So tell me which number comes after number 8? Number 9. And number 9 is also a single digit number. So first we will put a dot in first box and then we will write number 9 in second box. Which number is this? Number 5. And which number is this? Number 7. So let's start counting the numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So which number comes after number 5? Yes, number 6. And number 6 is also a single digit number. So we will first put a dot in first box and then we will write number 6 in second box. Kids, like this way you have to complete between numbers from 0 to 10 in your notebook. I hope kids you all have learned easily the concept of between numbers. Practice it at home. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Take care.